Look at the food. Okay. All right, so we're getting ready to make our lasagna. Like I said, we're gonna do layers. Let's close this cage. Okay, so put another layer and another noodle right there. Then we're gonna use some more meat sauce. We're gonna use some more meat sauce. Grab a big spoon to get the meat sauce out. Just gonna put the meat sauce over there. Put it right on top of your lasagna. Sausage, the Italian sausage is gonna make it really good. I should be using a spoon. I don't know why I'm using this. I'm gonna switch over to a spoon, a bigger spoon. Like this.
Green spoon.
Yeah, that's much better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, also, guys, I'm recording right now.
Bella is recording for me.
I'm recording.
Okay, we're gonna start next with our cheese. We're gonna use mozzarella.
Everybody likes mozzarella.
I love the way mozzarella and Swiss cheese taste. That's authentic Italian cheese. Mozzarella. Okay, a layer of mozzarella. A layer
Mozzarella. Cheddar, cheddar, cheese, cheese.
layer of melt cheddar.
Just a little layer.
Not too much because it's getting thick already. We got to put another layer of noodles.
Noodles. Can I put the noodles in?
Yes, the next time. Are your hands clean?
Yes, my hands are clean.
Okay, and I'll put some Parmesan. Okay, we're ready for the noodles.
Okay. So, going
Why are you holding your finger on that? Let that go.
Okay, I have to put one layer. That was kind of short.
Did you even record anything?
Yes, I did.
I hope you did.
I did.
Okay,
That one's kind of short.
that one must have broke off.
Oh, there's another piece.
Okay.
I'll get that. It'll still cook, so that's good.
Okay, now I'm gonna hold this phone. We're gonna do another layer of sauce. The final layer of sauce.
Can I do some sauce?
Sure. Here.
Salsa. Oh.
Put some right there.
Let's spread it.
Put some right there. Put some right there where there's a gap.
And where there's a gap.
Now put some in the last noodle.
Okay. Last one. Oh, there's a little gap. Right there. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay. Gotta get some meat. There we go. One more, just a little bit. Whee!
Okay, let me fill in the rest.
And she's gonna fill in the rest.
Make sure you get those corners. And any blank spots.
Mozzarella. Mozzarella.
Okay. All right, and then you just pour that on. And Bella's gonna take a break and I'll finish recording.
Should I finish?
Okay. Now the last thing we have to do is the cheese. So I'm gonna grab cheese over here. I'm gonna grab the cheddar first. Cheddar cheese all over it. And some people use ricotta cheese. you know, in their lasagna. I do that sometimes as well. I use spinach in it as well sometimes. Just, you know, change it up. You can use seafood as your main ingredient instead of ground beef. Whatever you want to do. Okay, now we're going to put some mozzarella cheese. We're going to top it off with Parmesan. Okay, some mozzarella. Mozzarella. And we're going to make some garlic bread to go with this. It's going to be a high carb dinner, but who cares? Who cares? We don't eat carbs that much around here, so we can splurge every once in a while. Okay, I'm just going to use the rest of this bag. Not much enough in this bag. Put some crumbs. Let's use the rest of that. Spread it out. And so you're going to bake this. Okay, now I'm going to top it off with the Parmesan. I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until golden brown. Okay, I want no cheese on the side. Let the cheese off the side. And there you go. We're going to put this in the oven and bake till done. Come back when it's done and show you the results. Guys, I just took the lasagna out of the oven and it's good and piping hot and ready to eat. And I made a plate for Bella, my granddaughter. That helped me make it. She already ate some spaghetti that I had cooked earlier right there in that pot. So that's why her plate looks like that, but she wants to taste the lasagna since she helped cook it, and it looks delicious. All right, so thank you guys for tuning to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.